time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. Every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over everything to reach the first time spark. It started under neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how to go too far. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important information will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following measures have been given authorization of treatment on all stations at the request of myself, the United States government, and the National Aeronautical Base Administration. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Please pay very close attention to this alert as it pertains to an ongoing global crisis. At approximately 4:57 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there are reports of wood spreading across the entire world. Millions of civilians have been killed by wood transformation. Many humans, animals, buildings, cars, trucks, plants, and water from rivers, lakes, ponds, and ocean were last seen turning into wood. In addition to this event, NASA has made a shocking and unfortunate news regarding about this event. There is absolutely no way to stop this catastrophic event. Humanity is on the verge of extinction. It is believed that wood will spread the entire world over the next 4 hours. There is no way out of this disastrous event. At this time, I advise all Americans and the rest of the world to do the following. Guide your loved ones, including your family members and friends, and wait certain death. The President of the United States has been killed and turned to wood. I have another quote from the Bible. Isaiah 2:12. For the Lord of hosts will have a day of reckoning against everyone who is proud and lofty, and against everyone who is lifted up. This he made me amazed. All stations in the nation will sign on with the final title One Last Plan of our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude our final activation of the emergency alert system. Make God bless America.
final time with one last playing of our national anthem. May God bless us all.